Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Nvidia Geforce instant replay not working. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select virus threat protection and scroll down and select manage ransomware protection. Turn off this option guys, control folder access. This is the main reason you can't access the instant replay. And check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome and search Geek Uninstaller and press enter. Select the download option under Geek Uninstaller site. Select this zip file. After getting downloaded and select the downloaded folder, double click on the application. Select yes. Now in here you just need to search for GeForce. Right click on the GeForce experience and select the force removal option. This will completely remove the GeForce experience. After getting removed, just need to open up new tab and search Nvidia app. Select the first link. Nvidia replaced the GeForce experience using this Nvidia app. So you just need to download this. Select the download now option and download it. After the download done, install it. After the installation done, open it. After opening it, on left side select the settings. On right side turn on the Nvidia overlay. And now as you can see, Alt plus Z to open overlay. You just need to press Alt plus Z key to open overlay and go to instant replay and turn on the install replay, and this should fix your problem guys. In my case I am using recording software, so it can't be turned on. After turning on the instant replay, this should fix your problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. You may like and subscribe. Thank you.